Alright, so I've recently landed on a planet Earth in dimension C-137. Finally found my base of operations that I'll be at for the next unknown amount of time. But anyway, let's get situated, shall we? First, we're gonna start with the drawer set. Got the drawers, mirror, the bed. Now it's time for the desk. The last most important big piece. So for the PC, instead of up top, I think I'm gonna have it down low this time. Pick this up. Go down here. For the monitor, instead of the stand, picked up some arms. We can kind of install this. I put it on upside down, mate. I put it on upside down. I got my multi-tool. Boom. Hey. Stand up straight. Whoa, that is friggin' high, dude. Oh! I mean, it's not like, I think higher is better because it'll force me to have good posture. Having the drawers here, and having to put the PC over there. Would you look at that? With some movie magic, everything is now flipped. Voila. Alright. So, this is low-key better. I don't know why, but it is. We'll go right here. Other one. From a previous short, we have these, and we can put the speakers right on top like that. Keyboard, mouse pad, and the mouse. And I do want to attach it up here, actually. I'll run it this way. Right there. All right, we're gonna Velcro this to up here. Will that stay with all the weight? I don't know. We'll just have to see. Red and white, and that just go down right into here. So that goes in there. Follow that, follow there, follow there. Nice and tidy. The cable hangs a little bit. It's kind of annoying, bro. This cable's not long enough, so either I go wireless or I get a longer cable. 3 cables. They need to come up over here. Right, like that. Should we do little loops? And then this one I want to Velcro up here. This one goes through. Zip tie, where it's actually reusable. This comes the hard part, mate. Hold your horses, mate. Let's also get this, baby. So the light, I'm gonna run it on a different circuit. This is the monitor. This is so uncomfortable, bruh. So the monitor will plug in. Bruh. This cable management is not really cable management. Yeah. Oh my god. And also from this angle you can't see it, so it actually looks pretty clean. Oh, I also have these cable management Velcro things. Could have used that also. Now to check if everything runs. Ooh baby. Ooh baby. Yeah. Okay, so we went wireless with the keyboard. Look at my keyboard, mate. Something's off about it. You're offline. What? Yeah! Angle it towards me just a little bit more. Alright, as far as the desk setup, everything on here is working beautifully. My little camera, so I'm probably gonna have to get a USB-C extender to run that from that side. The microphone, ooh, that's long enough. Phone stand. right there. Also, we gotta put these little guys back into the PC. Whoa. There we go. A couple of hangers right here for the hats, and then maybe a hanger here for like the robe. Gonna be using these hangers right here, but I'm taking this off and putting a 3M one instead. I don't know how strong it is. Honestly, I feel like it'll do fine, but just in case, and we know 3M is good. A little 2 by 2 inch. Get it out of the way. Boom. Press that in. For now, I'm gonna just put 2, because I'm wearing only 2 hats at the moment. Just like that. So look at that. All nice and tidy. It is now time for an exclusive private tour of the HQ. So you walk in. Immediately to our left, we have the mirror, IKEA mirror. Probably gonna install it on the wall instead of have it stand like this. We got more IKEA stuff, a drawer, you know, with all my clothes and stuff. Got a couple display items, that, which I have a video on. Probably gonna make a video about this. Probably gonna do a little terrarium or something like that. Air purifier. Definitely made a video about this. Make sure to go check that out. That's custom made, and we can control it from right here. Bam. Got the bed, also IKEA furniture. Got our guy over there. The desk setup, which definitely took the longest, but it's not finished because it looks boring. Gotta add plants everywhere. Got space here, got space over there. Gonna put a second monitor right here. That's why I got 2. Probably a little vertical side piece. And then PC on the floor. Create some space on the table, on the desk. Behind this door, we have our little closet. Also made a video about this lighting setup. And there we go. We've got the little walk-in closet. And that is pretty much it. Probably gonna put something along this wall or along that wall. This wall is fine. That wall has that. But yeah, oh, probably gonna put a little rug, like in this area, maybe. This is the new HQ, guys. This is the new streaming area. The new video production area. Editing studio over here. Sleeping studio over here. Oh! Little nightstand. Possibly make my own. Yeah.